Hello students, let's discuss today cannabis sativa. So, prover of this medicine is Dr. Hahnemann and common name is him. Belongs to the family Urticaceae family. So, about mental symptoms written in boric, lectophobia, that is fear of lying down, and sensation of water dropping on the head, or that is here written sensation of as drops, as of a drops of water falling on or from single parts on the head, from the anus, stomach, heart. So this is written in italics, very important. You have to as memorize as it is. Sensation as of drops of water falling on or from single parts or from different parts of the body like head, anus, stomach. Sensation as water is falling, drops of water is falling. So cannabis sativa, here constitution is not written, but we can say that adaptability about adapted to mucous membranes of respiratory and genitourinary tracts, and causation is gonorrhea, alcohol and tobacco. Causation gonorrhea, alcohol, tobacco. So now come to GI. Choking in swallowing, things go down the wrong way. This is also written in italics. Choking in swallowing, things go down the wrong way, as in anacardium. In anacardium, because of hasty drinking and hasty eating, cause choking. Here, choking. Things go down in wrong way. Obstinate constipation, causing retention of urine, constriction of anus. So one of the causation is obstinate constipation causes retention of urine, constriction of anus. Now come to urinary system. Urethra very sensitive, sensitive to touch or pressure. Urethra cannot walk with legs close together. Cannot walk with legs close together. It hurts the urethra. Patient walk both the legs wide apart because of sensitiveness of urethra. When there is clot touches the urethra, it causes pain. Very sensitive to touch urethra. What kind of sensation? Tearing pains along urethra, and direction is zigzag direction. Very important. Direction is zigzag direction. This is zigzag direction pain, tearing pain. Pain extending from orifice of urethra backward. What kind of zigzag? First from orifice of urethra. So first from orifice of urethra to backward. Burning, biting, posteriorly more sticking while urinating. Pain while urinating. While in canthris, pain before, during and after urination. Direction of pain in cannabis, zigzag direction. First from orifice of urethra going backward, burning, biting, posteriorly more sticking while urinating. About male reproductive system, acute case, inflammatory stage of gonorrhea. Gonorrhea is one of the cause. Gonorrhea, alcohol, tobacco is causation of this remedy. Second stage, burning after urination, discharge thick yellow pus like is cub is Cubeba officinalis. When there is second stage, burning after urination and discharge is thick yellow pus like, and gonorrhea is the cause. So about respiratory symptoms, dyspnea, that is breathing difficulty, or asthma, where the patient can only breathe by standing up. This is written in italics, very important. Can only breathe by standing up. Asthma relieved by standing up. Patient must have to stand. In ourself, asthma relieved by bending forward. In Heperself, also asthma relieved by bending backward, and in Calicarp, asthma relieved by bending forward or by rocking to and fro motion. In cannabis sativa, asthma relieved by standing up. So now come to extremities. Contraction of fingers after a sprain. Dislocation of patella on going up stairs. So it can be the medicine of injury medicine after a sprain, contraction of finger, dislocation of patella means knee joint on going up a stair. Relation to similar to Cantharis, capsicum, gelsemium, petroselinum in early stages of specific urethritis means inflammation of urethra. Now come to urinary symptoms of this drug. Written in S.K. Dubey, cannabis sativa is adapted to urinary troubles brought on by gonorrhea. Causation is gonorrhea. Stage acute inflammatory stage, especially of the first stage. Urethra is very sensitive to touch, cannot walk with legs close together, keeps the leg wide apart because touch hurts the urethra. Same. About sensation, burning sensation in urethra during and after urination, not before urination, and character of pain, stitching, tearing pain in a zigzag direction, pain extending from orifice of urethra to backward, burning and biting, frequent violent, constant urging to urinate. What happened during urination? Most painful and difficult urination. Stitching pain in urethra during urination. While urine flows, violent pain at the close of urination. After urination, orifice of urethra, feeling pressing out. Character of urine is mixed with blood, scalds when passing. There is thick yellowish gonorrheal discharge from urethra. Modality is aggravation from touch. Now come to the difference between cannabis sativa and Cantharis. So about pain, in cannabis pain while urination, in Cantharis pain before, during and after urination. In cannabis pain is during and after urination. In cannabis burning is more as compared to Cantharis. In Cantharis less burning as compared to cannabis. In cannabis, tenesmus is less as compared to Cantharis. Here, tenesmus is more and constant urging to urinate. Tenesmus is urging, constant urging to urinate. About quantity of urine, in cannabis, there is less urine, split flow. But in Cantharis, urine in drops or mixed with blood. Sensation, tearing pains, biting, burning in urethra. Very sensitive to touch. Aggravation from walking. Keeps leg wide apart. But in Cantharis, burning, cutting, itching in urethra during maturation. After maturation, pain in urinary bladder and prostate. But during urination, pain in urethra, burning, cutting, itching. In cannabis, there is normal thirst. But in Cantharis, unquenchable thirst. But it aggravates the complaints. So here it is cannabis, here it is Cantharis. Difference. May ask them why. So if you like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.